Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my channel. With iOS 26, Apple now allows you to have a bigger clock on your iPhone's lock screen. In this video, let me show you how to enable it. On the left is my iPhone running iOS 18 and you can see how cool it looks when the clock size is adjusted. Make sure you have updated to iOS 26 and now I'm on home screen. Just press the power button to lock the phone, tap and hold on the empty space and tap customize. Now it's on edit mode and you can see the handle under the clock here that you can drag to adjust the clock size. Just drag it down and it will transition into a bigger clock. If you tap on the clock, you can change the font and color. Be mindful here that the only default font allows you to resize the clock. If you choose any other font, you will see that the clock go back to its original size. So always make sure that you have selected the first font that allows you to resize the clock. You can also adjust the thickness of the clock using this slider. Just change it to your preference. And if you're not happy with the glass design, you can also go for the solid look. That's about your preference. And you also have the option to change the clock color. I definitely prefer the glass design over the solid look, so let me change it back to glass and just tap here to close it and tap down to save. So that's it guys, that's how you set a bigger clock on your iPhone's lock screen. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you in the next video.